In this video, I'll teach you how to enter actual progress for a material resource assigned to a task, and I'll also teach you how to analyze variance for that material resource as well. Some time ago, there was a really interesting question from a user in one of the Microsoft Project user forums on the internet. This user wanted to know how to enter actual progress for a material resource assigned to a task, and also wanted to know how can you analyze variance for that material resource. Well, of course, you know what I do in this channel, so I will be teaching you those very things. So let's get started. In this sample project, you can see that I have a single task called Pour Foundation for Warehouse with an estimated duration of 15 days. In the Task Form pane, you can also see the resources I have assigned to this task. I have a work resource named Concrete Crew, assigned to work full-time for 120 hours. And I have a material resource named 5,000 psi concrete with an estimated consumption of 24,000 cubic yards. So the question at hand is, first of all, how can I manually enter progress for the material resource? Here's what I recommend you do. First, apply the Task Usage view. Then, in this view, apply the Work table. And then finally, drag the split bar over to the right edge of the remaining work column. The column called Actual Work is where I can manually enter progress on a weekly basis. So, for example, at the end of week number 1, the concrete crew reported that they did 40 hours of work, and they reported that they did 8,000 cubic yards of pour for the concrete. At the end of week number 2, for example, the concrete crew might report that they did 80 hours of actual work, and they might report that they had poured 16,000 cubic yards of concrete. And then, when the task is done, the team members can report their final total actual work. In this case, the team members reported that they did 132 hours of work, and they reported that they actually poured 30,000 cubic yards of concrete. So you can use the actual work column to enter progress for a material resource, as well as for work resources if you want. The second question is, how can we analyze variance? Well, the answer is found in the work variance column that is included in this table. For the concrete crew resources, we can see that the 12 hours means they went 12 hours over our original budget on work. And the 6,000 cubic yards means that we poured 6,000 cubic yards more concrete than we had originally planned. So that's how to manually enter task progress for a material resource and how to analyze variance as well. Hey, thanks for watching my YouTube video. Now you know how to enter actual progress for a material resource and to analyze variance for that resource as well. If you found this video useful, please consider giving it a like. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you do, click that notification button. If you have a question or comment, I'd love it if you'd leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll get back to you. And as always, I'll see you in my next video.